So I've set up the space quite simple with just the armchair, the side table and the plant, because I wanted the shadows to take center stage. Yeah, that's nice. Today I'm shooting on the A7IV with the Tamron 28-75 f2.8. I picked this lens for this shoot because I want some wide photos, but then I also want to punch in close, and this lens can give me that perfect variety. I'll be using the newer 300C continuous light on this shoot. If you kind of look over this way for me, here. When I'm shooting continuous, I like to have my shutter speed as high as I can, so I tend to set my ISO to 800. My aperture is set to f2.8. Because I'm using the A7IV, 800 doesn't give me much noise at all. Most full frame cameras will be fine at this kind of ISO and above. Under key light I just have an optical snoot which is giving those harsh shadows on the wall, and that's what is primarily lighting the model. You have this leg to the floor now, and then have this one rested, yeah. And then head a bit higher, then a bit more that way. Yeah, that's good. Can I get you to take the jacket off for me? This model is really good with posing, so I didn't have to give her much direction. I just asked her to move about as much as she wanted and then do some poses where she's really getting up into the camera. So those poses I shot the lens on its widest, which is 28mm, just to kind of get a distorted look. The optical snoot was quite a bargain at only around £35 from AliExpress. So if you're after one, go there first before getting anything that's overly expensive and does the same job.
Oh, this lighting is insane.